welcome to my channel. So thank you for watching. First of all, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today's video is the puzzle box braids that everybody's doing right now, and this was my first time doing it, so I was like, let me go ahead and get this on camera and let me, you know, see how this is going to turn out. So the way I chose to do it was making a straight across part, ear to ear to ear, ear to ear to ear, ear to ear, and then I went over top of that straight part with zigzag parts. So just take it a comb and, you know, basically like triangles. If you don't know how to do zigzags, just like triangles. I mean, that's what I did anyway. And so once I do that, I section them all off. Every part is a zigzag, so instead of making a straight line, just make it a zigzag. That's the best way to think about it. I mean, well, from looking at the picture that I got it from, that's where I got, you know, everything is zigzag part. So just make it zigzag, and then, you know, section it off with a rubber band on it, or if you do them smaller, I mean, you have to random, whatever you choose to do. And yeah, I'm gonna tuck her hair once I start braiding, which I'll come back and explain how to do that.
Wind it my way and bring that thing low. I'm a day, no enjoy me, no keep pressing, no. Body culture, wind it my way and bring that thing low. Can't lie, baby girl, you are set to Pamurege. Like the way you do wine and you bend to Pamurege. Wine slow for me, my baby, Pamurege. You're the champion, me they give you the belt to Pamurege. So my body be loading.
And what you see me doing here now is I'm taking my edge control. You can use gel if you want to, but I use edge control, and I'm going to put that around the whole base of the puzzle and, you know, comb it through, brush it through, and then rubber band it, and then pull the hair so it's tight but not too tight. You don't want to, you know, cause any scalp abrasions or anything like that.
When you see a new baby, I was Sakoto. Maloja with the baby, I lodge. Ufe ponke, give me the lodger. Uti and keep passport, then say we local. You better catch up, I go see you later. Spend the money, you talk somebody, you saw my body, let's keep it rocking, yo.
Can't lie, baby girl, you are set to Pamurege. Like the way you do wine and you bend to Pamurege. Wine slow for me, my baby, Pamurege. You're the champion, me they give you the belt to Pamurege. So my body be loading, yeah. Pamurege. So my body be loading, yeah. Pamurege. Yeah. Olegeti, yeah. So my body loading. So give me that summer loving. Girl, I love that body. That's all my God, you know it feels on the beat, though. Don't press, I got you on the intro. Can't lie, baby girl, you are set to Pamurege. Like the way you do wine and you bend to Pamurege. Wine slow for me, my baby, Pamurege. You're the champion, me they give you the belt to Pamurege. So my body be loading, yeah. Pamurege. So my body be loading, yeah. Pamurege. Look at you, I'm a Ruby custard. You're not the bastard, and I like it. And I like when you move your body like a snake or a jab, it's a pasta. Kilo dale. All the boys, them I go crazy for your matter. Lonely jale, money can buy love, I just want type of shit. Billy, body big like this, and sick like me low. For the culture, wine it my way and bring that thing low. I'm a day, no enjoy me, no keep pressing low. For the culture, wine it my way and bring that thing low. Can't lie, baby girl, you are set to Pamurege. Like the way you do wine and you bend to Pamurege. Wine slow for me, my baby, Pamurege. You're the champion, me they give you the belt to Pamurege. So my body be loading, yeah. Pamurege. So my body be loading, yeah. Pamurege.
Kilele ibadi, na confirm ni ibadi. Olamide na my body, I confirm G. ọmọge lọ́wọ́ ṣòkòtò. When you see àtẹnu baby àwẹ̀ sàkótó. Má lọ jáwé bẹ̀bẹ̀ di alájà. Mo fẹ́ pọ́nkì ègè mi.
And these are my puzzle pieces. Aren't they so cute? Oh my gosh, I feel like I did a good job anyway. But yeah, just make sure they're not too big or not too small so you can see the detailing of the, you know, zigzags and puzzles and everything like that. I really think this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry. Now I'm getting ready to show you how to tuck. This is the hair I used. It's I'll link in the description box. But just make sure when you're braiding, you're putting her natural hair behind the braiding hair. So that's the key to tucking, just putting the hair behind the braiding hair. And, you know, keeping it back there so you don't see it peek through or anything, because if this was colored hair, I'm sure, you know, no one wants their natural hair color showing through the color. So tuck it behind as best as you can.
Can't lie, baby girl, you are set to Pamurege. Like the way you do wine and you bend to Pamurege. Yeah, nice look for me, my baby, Pamurege. You're the champion, me they give you the belt to Pamurege. So my body be loading, yeah, 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 Pamurege. So my body be loading, yeah, 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 Pamurege. Look at you, I'm a Ruby custard, you're not the bastard. And I like it, and I like when you move your body like a snake or a jab, it's a pasta. Kilo dale, all the boys, them I go crazy for your matter. Lonely jale, money can buy love, I just want type of shit. Billy, body big like this, and sick like me low. For the culture, wine it my way, and bring that thing low. I'm a day, no enjoy me, no keep pressing low. For the culture, wine it my way, and bring that thing low. Can't lie, baby girl, you are set to Pamurege. Like the way you do wine and you bend to Pamurege. Wine slow for me, my baby, Pamurege. You're the champion, me they give you the belt to Pamurege. So my body be loading, yeah, 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 Pamurege. So my body be loading, yeah, 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 Pamurege.
After braiding everything like that, I use SHEEN mousse and holding spray to get the flyaways away and everything, and just, you know, give a little oil to her scalp. So once I dip it in the water and everything, you know, I just put the hot towel on her scalp just to get a little steam from that towel, and it soothes the scalp as well. I mean, most clients ask for that anyways. But yeah, I just feel like this style turned out really cute. I mean, I like it for my first time doing it. But most importantly, I want to know what you like or dislike about it. So if you would, please leave me a comment in the comment section to check out. And like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And make sure your notifications are turned on. Thank you guys for watching.
Somebody be loading, yeah, 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 Pamurege. Yeah, 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 Olamide, yeah. Somebody loading. So give me that summer loving. Girl, I love that body.